Swami Bodhama
today's problems so that we can rise from an ordinary citizen into a good citizen. There is other side of the coin, which are the modern values. So let us listen to Shivaji Shankar from Proddaturu, Kadapa.
Pranam Swamiji and my dear young and dynamic brothers and sisters of India, my heartfelt pranams to all of you. I am here with a great saying to share my views. Old is gold, that all of you know it. But keeping the gold, keep on hold, we can't get anything else. Gold is old, but we keep it in our hold, we get nothing we get from the gold. The gold is like a Vedanta, but ancient values. Just with the ancient values, we are unable to understand and digest them. That is why the modernity means what? New, current generation, present, a contemporary. The present situations, whatever we have today, they just moderated. The present generation has an ability to mold the men and women of our country, to mold the nation with a great inspiration, with His creation. They are molding us, just moderating the ideas. And we can say like that, we are all in the present generation is a modern generation, isn't it? Yes or no? So in the modern generation, we have to behave like a modernity only. But all modern qualities or values are imbibed or gathered from the ancient values only. But we just moderate according to our situation. We have seasons. According to seasons, we just mold ourselves. The animals mold ourselves. Like that we have to mold. We should not go back. One of the great purposes like this. The values means which brings us ahead. The values means which brings us ahead, not to brings us back. We should not go back again. But these all our ancient values are moderated to present generations. So with that moderate values, we have to go ahead, and you can say that like advanced. Advanced means what? Which is ahead. We are in ahead position. We should not go ahead towards backwards. We are already in advanced position. Like for example, we can say that we have a mobile, like old in 20 years ago or 10 years ago. We are not using that. Why? It doesn't have a lot of features. Now, we have Android facilities. Like that modern ideas are which are applicable for our generation. The modernity is which we have the creation of our nation. That is what my emotion that I got from the words Swami Vivekananda's inspiration. And we can tell you that all the thoughts, see, we can't go back immediately or something slowly go back. Do you like to go back? Do you like to go back? How many of you are ready to go back? No. By being here only, you're ready to go back. It means that you don't want something to go ahead. You won't want to see your country, our country, to see in front of us. Still, when we are born, we heard that India is developing country. Still it is India is developing country. Why? We didn't understand. We didn't digest the value of ancient values. That is why there is a matter moderated. Even that inscriptions, Swami Vivekananda only says that. I have the faith and hope on the younger generation. Why? The younger generation have that kind of ability to mold our nation. Isn't it? Why he has that kind of a faith on us? We are updated. We are advanced. We can know the present situations, whatever the problems we have. The old people can do that. You can see in something like a faculties, the old faculties, they have a generation gap. Isn't it? The generation gap makes us not to understand perfectly. So we have that kind of a nature to understand what is going on in our society. We have all the technologies and with the science and everything. Otherwise, we are unable to. I say that ancient values we have to follow, but those the things only moderated like as a modernity. Modernity is what? Something with a advanced or a current generation. That is what I would like to share, and that's all. That I can conclude that modern generation is a good for us. Thank you.
Shiva Shankar, congratulations and thank you for putting your thoughts forward. What exactly is the values or what we have to do in the modern life? Don't look back, but try to go forward. You have pointed out India is in an advanced position with all the technologies and science, etc. So, some more points we'll listen, then 3 on my left, 3 on my right, representing the ancient values and modern values, have given their thoughts. Now we'll just give 1 minute time to the student sitting to my left, representing the modern values. Can you just clarify what are the modern values in your opinion? Just 1 minute each. You have been telling modern values, but I want to know, as a participant, what do you have in list called modern values? So that if you can decide in 1 minute, 60 seconds, quickly. One minute time, Mutaya.
Yeah, once again, the modern value is nothing but the ancient values only which are moderated. We can say that giving a freedom, giving the equality for everybody. In olden days, we don't have equality. Everybody have their own steps, like Kshatriya, Shudra, and like that. They have a steppings. They can't go from downstate to the upstates because they have to keep up very far away. Nowadays, everybody is equal. I can give an example of that simply. See, only the rich people only used to get education in olden days. I can say that a Hindu can go to temple. A Hindu can go to temple. A Christian can go to church. A Muslim can go to mosque. But we can't find a Christian in a temple. And knowingly or unknowingly, God is dividing within that. But a college, you know that, it makes us unite as one. A college makes us unite as one. Like in a place where we all get together. We don't have any variations here. Like here, see, no
Time.
Christian. Yeah, like I can
Thank
say
you.
that, giving clarity that, the finally just half second. With a knife, we can cut it, we can kill it. With the same knife, we can get the life also by doing operation.
Very good.
That's.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.